Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends on FIFA Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add friends on FIFA Mobile, first, open your FIFA Mobile application. After you are logged into your account, tap the friends icon located at the top right hand corner. Now, you'll be able to see the Friends tab displayed on the screen. Tap the human icon with a plus in it on the right corner. Here, you'll be able to find some of the recommended users. Tap the Add Friend button to select the person you'd like to add and then tap on Send Request. Soon after you do that, your friend request will be sent. Tap on OK and wait for the person to accept your request. You can also tap on the search icon at the top right and then enter the username of the person you are trying to add. After you do that, tap continue. It'll then search for the person based on the username that you've given. After you find the certain someone, tap on add friend and tap send request to add friends on FIFA Mobile. That is a quick step on how you can easily add friends on FIFA Mobile with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.